did you arrest him and why did you arrest him? I will direct departmental inquiry against the entire station. Stop this police Raj. We will have to stop it by iron hands. Actually, they have to see and set things right. Only if there is necessity police custody, they should give. Every case police custody. Cost of such illegal arrest is quantified at 3 lakhs to be paid by the investigating officer. Who is the investigating officer?
He is present. Before your lordship starts, one submission.
Yes, sir.
Mistake has happened, my lord. My officer should
No, sir. If mistake has happened, they better well pay for that mistake. No, I have been seeing this pattern of this policeman that they take anyone into custody without any rhyme or reason. Straight away.
No,
This should stop.
Yes, ma'am.
Stop forthwith.
Yes,
And how do you stop it? There should be some deterrence. How we give some deterrence? You message ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇವ್ರನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಒಳಗಾಕ್ಸಲ್ವಾ?
I'm not just.
ನೋ ಎಸ್ ಪಿ ಪಿ ಅವರೇ, ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ನೀವು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಇದ್ದೆ, ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಬಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಹಸ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಟೂ ಮಚ್. ಓನ್ಲಿ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ಐ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಕೆಪ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವೈಟ್ ಟಿಲ್ ನೌ.
I'm not justifying, my lord. I'm not justifying. For a moment, I'm not justifying. Only one mistake. What happened? Probably, my lord.
ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಕೊಟ್ರು?
No, probably, my lord, young officer has succumbed to it. That notice, issuance of notice is not needed.
All right.
He has issued a notice, my lord.
All right.
The senior officers are probably.
ಆಯ್ತು, why did he arrest once he had issued a notice?
So that is,
Who told him to arrest?
no, but is
No,
confusion.
is there any instructions from his superior to arrest?
It is in.
ಬನ್ರಿ ಈ ಕಡೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ. ಯಾಕೆ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ? How did you arrest him and why did you arrest him? Why? ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೋ ಇಲ್ವಾ? 35(3) ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಮೇಲೆ 27ಕ್ಕೆ ತನ್ನ ಮುಂದೆ ಇನ್ವೆಸ್ಟಿಗೇಷನ್ ಬನ್ನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ 25ಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಂಗ್ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರಿ? 35(3) ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಮೇಲೆ ನಾವು ಕೋಆಪರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡದೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ನೋಟಿಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಮೇಲೆ how did you arrest him? How and why did you arrest him? ಯಾರು ನಿಮ್ superiors ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಾ? ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಾ? ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು? Were there instructions from any of your superiors to arrest? If you have succumbed to pressure, whose pressure? ಯಾರ್ pressure ಹೇಳಿ? ಎಲ್ಲರ ಮೇಲೂ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಈಗ. Why did you arrest? ನಿಮ್ ಜೋಕ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ ಕಸ್ಟಡಿಗೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು, ಜುಡಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಕಸ್ಟಡಿಗೆ. ಆ ಕೋರ್ಟು ಅಷ್ಟೇ, ಏನು ವಿತೌಟ್ ಎನಿ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೈಂಡ್ ನೀವು ಕೇಳಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಕಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಡು ಯು ಆಲ್ ಥಿಂಕ್? ಅವ್ರು ಏನೇ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಹಿ ಮೇ ಬಿ ದಿ ವರ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ರಿಮಿನಲ್, ಐ ಆಮ್ ನಾಟ್ ದಟ್. ಒನ್ಸ್ ಯು ಸೆಟ್ ದಿ ಪ್ರೊಸೀಜರ್ ಇನ್ ಮೋಷನ್ by issuing a notice under 35(3), you have no business to arrest unless he displays non-cooperation. ಕಾನೂನು ಗೊತ್ತೋ ಇಲ್ವೋ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ? ಕಾನೂನು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಏನ್ ಕಾಪಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಕಾನೂನು ನೀವಲ್ಲಿ? ಇದೇ ಈ ತರ ಯಾರೋ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಇನ್ಫ್ಲೂಯೆನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೇನೆಂಟ್ ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್. No, this has to be taken note of. ಅಲ್ಲ, let the superiors also share the cost that I impose now. Apart from departmental inquiry.
No, that's probably, my lord, that the young officer has committed a mistake, my lord. But
He's committed a mistake, he has to pay for it. It is taking someone into custody. It's question of liberty.
that's correct, my lord.
He may be worst of criminal. Procedure set in motion ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಮುಗಿತ್. You can't do that. I am not saying he is whoever he has arrested is a paragon of virtue. No.
No, so everybody is saying that he should not have issued a notice. In superior
ಅಲ್ಲ, he should not have ಅಂದ್ರೆ.
officer have issued a- That is a mistake, my lord. I don't
No,
know why.
incantation like this will not help, sir, unless there is cost imposed. I've already indicated that I'm going to impose
Lordship is
cost.
indicated- Lordship is indicated, my lord.
2026 2 SCC ಕೊಡಿ ಸತ್ಯೇಂದ್ರ ಕುಮಾರ್ until latest
Not carried the judgment.
and Nallabal.
Some
No, sir. It's high time that ಯಾರು who is the ಇವರೇನು ACP ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ಲ,
ACP and DC is
ಇನ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟರ್
the
ಸಬ್ ಇನ್ಸ್ಪೆಕ್ಟರ್, is the IO. ACP ಯಾರು?
Suvarna.
DCP ಯಾರು?
Saidul Atawat.
What are they doing? They will also face the brunt now.
I'll keep them present, my
If
lord.
this man is arresting someone without rhyme or reason, what is the ACP doing? What is the DCP doing?
No, I'll keep them present, my lord.
Not necessary. I will impose cost, let everybody take the costs.
I'll
I will
keep them
direct departmental inquiry against the entire station who has indulged in this now.
No, I'll keep them present, my lord.
Not necessary, sir. Not necessary. They will be watching anyway. ಸ್ಟೇಷನ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಕೂತಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. ಅಷ್ಟು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ವ ನಂಗೆ? ಇವ್ರನ್ನ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಇನ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದು ಅವ್ರು ಅರೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ಲಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೂ. Whoever is the DCP and the ACP, let them also know.
I'll keep them present.
No, sir, not necessary. What are you? What's the allegation now?
Now that your lordships have asked this question, my only allegation against me is that I'm a signatory to a will, which they claim is a forged will.
Who is the signatory?
I am the
To a
petitioner-
will?
Signatory.
As
to
a witness or
as a
what?
Witness. I am only a signatory and a witness to a will. Lord, there's
Who
a
is the complainant?
there is a civil dispute between the Baligas and the Gopal. So Baligas, Lord, have filed a suit in which they have obtained interim order protecting their possession. Now the will is left by Baliga's grandmother to Vishal Baliga. I am a attesting witness to that will.
The attesting witness is now taken into custody?
Yes, A1 is not taken into custody. A2 is taken into custody. there is an order of injunction and a direction to the SHO to implement police protection orders by this court,
Against whom?
not against the complainant. Against the complainant here is interfering with my possession. I file a suit.
Alla, your possession andre the A1's
Vishal
possession.
Baliga's possession. Vishal Baliga has filed a suit for injunction to protect his possession. In that, an IA is filed to protect his possession, allowed, contested all the way to Supreme Court. Now possession is confirmed in favor of Vishal Baliga.
Yeah, who is behind the complainant
The
now?
IA 3 lot is to direct the police to implement the order. Not complied, comes in GM police. There is a direction. Contempt charges are being framed next week, not for 17 for framing of charges in this officer.
Your lordship, since your lordship asked me, the will was notarized.
ಆಗ್ಲಿ
by a
ಅವ್ರು
person.
ಕಂಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತಾರೆ ಬಿಡಿ, ವಿಟ್ನೆಸ್ ತಾನೆ ಇವರು.
No, that is the my lord, that the present petitioner. he
And
has-
what do you do about the other proceedings that are pending which go to the Supreme Court and get confirmed?
Your lordship,
Are they playing with them?
Your lordship, it is a will.
Ah,
It's
so?
supposed to have notarized by the
The
person.
civil
Not
court will
necessary.
decide.
It was not even notary on
The
that time.
civil court will decide that, not the
It is
civil
pending before the civil court.
from 24.
Who are the police to interfere in all this?
Pending before civil court is injunction suit.
Whatever suits, sir, it is for them to decide, will correct or ill want ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Why police wants to interfere in this?
Injunction.
The-
suit.
Why I am asking this is not, he is a scapegoat. Somebody else is controlling him, somebody else has directed him to arrest this man. Civil suit ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನ್ ನೀವು, what is the police doing here?
No, the entire
If a will,
is
he is a witness to the will, ಯಾವಾಗ execute ಆಗಿರೋದು?
In 95, in the
Ah,
bills
then?
of 95, they are.
Whatever it is, sir, if the police saying will is forged now, civil suit pending ilva?
No, that, and that time, this person could not have done.
Arre, that's a different thing, sir. Civil court will pending ಇದೆ, they will decide why the police is interfering now in a civil case.
No, the pending before civil court is only injunction suit.
Arre, tomorrow they may amend it, sir.
Lord, I have to file an injunction suit. Complainant will have to file a.
That is the
complaint
complainant's
citation.
case actually, then he let him file.
He is claiming that the will is forged. He has to file a declaration.
Came to
suit.
know about the existence.
Who
of
came to know, sir?
The complainant, according to us, my lord, came to know about the existence of.
No
will.
problem.
In
Has he
the-
filed a suit, sir?
24 suit, now they came to know.
No, when he
Suit is
filed-
being contested. Why is the police interfering in a will case?
And I am only the attesting witness to.
That's the next thing. Why the police is interfering in a case between two persons which are, who are contesting over a will? ಏನ್ ಇವ್ರಿಗೆ share ಇದೆಯಾ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ? ಪೊಲೀಸ್ನವ್ರಿಗೆ share ಇದೆಯಾ? Official ಇರಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಬೇರೆ. Then why do they interfere? If the police do not, if police are not stopped from entering from civil cases, this is what is happening. ಯಾರೋ ಇಬ್ರು ಹೊಡೆದಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದಾರೆ ಪ್ರಾಪರ್ಟಿಗೆ ವಿಲ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪೊಲೀಸ್ನವ್ರದ್ದು ವಿಲ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಡೌಟ್ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಅಂತ ಇವ್ರು ಯಾರು ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ? ಸಿವಿಲ್ ಕೋರ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಇಲ್ವಾ?
No, but, purpose, my lord, the very.
No,
fact
whatever purpose, sir, it does not stop it, that takes him into custody. How? That's why I said there is lawlessness here. Stop this police raj. We will have to stop it by iron hands. ಏನೋ ಇರ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಏನೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತ ಇದು ಮಾಡೋದು ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ.
Lord, if your lordship did not protect us, we would have necessarily gone into custody. 15
Definitely,
days
because the
JC.
court will not see anything the moment they give
So
give a
they-
remand application.
Remand
No,
process
the
so
whole
mechanical.
problem with the magistracy today is a remand is made on a demand by the police.
Yes.
Straight away, ಒಂದ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟ ತಕ್ಷಣ ರಿಮಾಂಡ್. ಅದು ಕೇಸ್ ಇದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ, ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದಾರೆ ಏನು 69 ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ನಾವು?
They don't see.
10 ವರ್ಷ ರಿಲೇಶನ್ಶಿಪ್, 69 inside prison.
They don't see.
Huh?
They don't see.
That's a court, sir. They have to see. Actually, they have to see and set things right. Only if there is necessity police custody, they should give. Every case police custody.
And remand application if they
That is
want
why
it.
there is no end to these people. ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ police custody ಹೆಂಗೂ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರೆ ನಮ್ಗೆ?
And they don't even ask for police custody, they ask for JC, so which means he was never required for investigation, custodial interrogation ಬೇಕೇ ಇರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. It's a documentary events, what is the.
Whatever
use of
it
taking
is,
into
if you are a witness and a witness is treated like this,
custody Without the actual person who is said to have
No,
executed the
yeah,
will.
this similar is not.
ಆಯ್ತು sir,
merely wit- he is
ಒಂದ್
not
ನಿಮಿಷ.
merely witness.
accused number 1, beneficiary of the will, you leave him.
Huh.
Accused number 2, witness to that will, you take him into custody. Is there any semblance of fairness in police action in this?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ.
Any semblance of fairness? Courts ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದಿದ್ರೆ ಮುಗಿಸ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ. Yes. The jurisdictional police, i.e. the Whitefield subdivision police, issue a notice to the petitioner under section 35(3). The action of the investigating officer is on the face of it in blatant violation of the law laid down by the apex court in Satyendra Kumar Entil 2026 2 SCC page 162, where the apex court holds as follows. The apex court holds that once the procedural law is set into motion by issuance of a notice under 35(3) or 41A of the CRPC, the predecessor, statutory predecessor of the BNSS, the only circumstance that one can be taken into custody is on display of a non-cooperation by the accused. The time was yet to arrive, but the liberty of the petitioner was taken away by his arrest by the police, the investigating officer who is present before the court and has no answer as to why he was taken into custody, whether he was pressurized by his official superiors or otherwise. There is no answer to any query of this court as to why the procedure as stipulated in law by the judgment of the apex court supra was not even noticed by the investigating officer or his superiors in the said police station. It is not only the investigating officer who would be responsible for this atrocious act on their part of taking the liberty of a citizen for granted and taking him into custody. The entire police station is equally responsible. The officer in charge of the police station or the superiors who man the police station, the assistant commissioner of police or the deputy commissioner of police, who have just led the investigating officer to behave in a manner that is blatantly contrary to law. They are equally responsible on their supervisory dereliction. The learned SPP, though, would put up vehement defense on in an aid to protect the investigating officer who has on the face of it fumbled in law by arresting a person who could not have been taken into custody once the notice was already issued. Therefore, it is not a case where this court would show hands off to such attitude of the investigating officer, but mulct the investigating officer with exemplary costs, apart from a direction to initiate departmental inquiry against the investigating officer and the official superiors who have permitted the investigating officer for their dereliction of supervisory roles. Therefore, the arrest of the petitioner, which on the face of it is illegal, is declared as such, and the investigating officer is now mulcted with cost of rupees from his salary, sir. Not from his pocket, it has to go, not from the state exchequer. The cost of such illegal arrest is quantified at 3 lakhs to be paid by the investigating officer, by the official superiors who have shown dereliction of supervisory duty upon the investigating officer. The amount of cost that is to be paid to the petitioner shall not be from the state exchequer, as it is public money. Since the investigating officer has acted contrary to law, the cost shall be paid from his pocket, or the cost shall be paid from the pockets of those who man the police station, i.e. the Whitefield police station.
माननीय हाईकोर्ट के इस फैसले ने साफ कर दिया कि पुलिस अपनी मनमानी नहीं चला सकती और कानून सबके लिए बराबर है। अवैध गिरफ्तारी के इस मामले और माननीय हाईकोर्ट की इस कड़ी फटकार पर आपकी राय क्या, हमें नीचे कमेंट्स करके जरूर बताएं। अगर आपको ये जानकारी देश के हर नागरिक के लिए जरूरी लगी हो तो इस वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर करना ना भूलें। जय हिंद दोस्तों।